The invisible zipper, or concealed zipper as it's also known, is a discreet, secretive, shy whisper of a detail on garments that provides the efficiency of a zipper without the metallic glint of hardware. Today, I'm sharing my preferred method for installing them. This is invisible zippers in detail. First, some housekeeping. An invisible zipper consists of the tape front, the tape back, the slider and the tab, the teeth, the top stop, and the bottom stop. Prior to installment, I recommend giving your zipper a little press. Just don't hover for too long as you risk melting the zipper. At the machine, an invisible zipper foot will be exceedingly helpful. A regular zipper foot is the next best thing. And finally, to secure zippers in place, I prefer using clips since these don't ripple the zipper tape as much as pins. I always begin by interfacing the edges that will soon sandwich the zipper. This is done on the wrong side of the fabric. Flipping over to the right side, I'm marking the seam allowance down both lengths and about 3/4 of an inch from the top on both panels. These will act as our margins throughout the process. I'm going to begin by installing the left side first. Take the left side of the zipper, flip it over so that it's face down. Make sure the zipper stop sits just below the 3/4 inch mark and align the zipper teeth to the seam allowance line. Secure in place, then bring over to the machine. I like to pre-stitch using a regular zipper foot first down the center of the tape just to keep things in place. When the road is blocked, simply stop stitching and backstitch. I can then switch over to my invisible zipper foot and carefully nestle the zipper teeth into the hollow grooves. Stitch down slowly and try to get as close as possible to the teeth without stitching into them. With the left zipper edge in place, we can now tackle the one on the right. Flip over, align, secure, and stitch in place. I can then flip the panels over so they're right sides facing and align the non-zippered seams. I'm stitching down following the seam allowance / stitch line from earlier. Then pressing the seams open. If your garment doesn't feature a full lining, I do recommend finishing the seams with some bias binding to keep things looking neat on the inside. Stitching this in place, pressing it open, then tucking the other edge neatly below the seam like a snug hug. To stitch in place, you can do this on the machine, or if you're too lazy to rethread your machine like I am, a quick base down the ditch works just as well. Now do this for the other seam too. I'm bringing the facing over and right sides facing, aligning it along the top and sides. I'm stitching down the whole side of the facing. Then, to ensure symmetry, I'm folding it over and marking where the facing ends at the bottom so I can use this as a reference for the other side. Secure, stitch. Along the top edge, I'm introducing facing to shell, right sides facing, and bringing over the zipper seam too. Stitch in place, then trim the corners. Following this, I'm turning the corners right side out. Everything can then be given a good press to look more presentable. This has been my preferred way of installing an invisible or concealed zipper, and I hope you found it useful. Take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!